Hey guys. Yeah, Jack? Wait, no, I'm Jack. What am I saying? Anyway, yes, Joe? What are we even here for? Why, we're here for the new year, obviously. Yeah. Hey, Tusk, you knocked me over. Sorry, Dambino. Alright, let's just get this over with. Well, what's the time? 11:58. We're almost there. Weep. Hey, Peppermint. Yeah. Remember that bet we made where I said you'd get a different suit if a pig flew? Of course I do. I never forget things. Well, okay, you're getting a new suit. Crap. Okay, anyway, guys, let's focus on the new year. Just turned 11:59. Oh, man, I'm excited. 2024. I have some predictions. Like, I don't know, a global pandemic or a world war. Good lord, Dambino. You can't make such dark predictions. Although, it will be 2024 any second now. So now let us all wait in silence. Oh my god! Yes! 2024, baby! Woo! Okay, let's go. Ooh, okay. Yes. And we hit it, people. We hit it. Yeah. Ow, dude, you're stabbing me. Sorry, I'm just so excited. Oh my god. Yeah! Dambino, my good lord. Hey, you're the one partying a lot, man. Like, this is insane. 2024, I've been waiting all year for this. Woohoo! I'm really glad we all made it through 2023. Like, there was a lot going on. Stupid, amazing dude. What are you saying? Oh, nothing. Sorry. I am really, really excited for our new year. I respectfully agree. Huh? Who is that? Is our clock wrong? I don't know. What? Huh? Excuse me? Okay, anyway. Let's keep going. Okay, I'm seriously starting to think the clock is wrong. Like, the person who recording us, his sister, is currently yelling about 2024 right now, even though it happened like a minute ago. I'm pretty sure our clock's out of... That stupid cat!